Hi guys, Jazz over here and welcome back to the Diabesties channel. पता है मैं हमेशा ऐसे नहीं दिखती थी. In fact, I have had my journey with weight fluctuation up and down, up and down, up and down. और पता है पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाती थी अगर मैं weight put on करती थी because I was worried about how I was looking. Over the years, I've realized कि with living with type 1 diabetes, your body is not just about how it looks, but it is about how it feels. Insulin एक hormone है. Of course, sometimes it can cause weight gain and it is not your fault. कभी कभी अगर हम स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं या हमारा स्केड्यूल थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है हम ज़्यादा इंसुलिन लेते हैं and sometimes that can cause a little bit of weight gain, which is why it is not important about कि मुझे इंसुलिन कम करना है तो मेरा बॉडी ठीक लगेगा. It is the other way round कि आप आपके बॉडी को एक फिट और हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल में मेंटेन रखो, इंसुलिन का रिक्वायरमेंट ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जाएगा. बट नाउ दिस ब्रिंग्स मी टू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. Everybody does not require the same amount of insulin. मेरे बॉडी को शायद कोई दिन 30 यूनिट्स चाहिए, 25 यूनिट्स चाहिए, 40 यूनिट्स चाहिए. किसी और को शायद 50 यूनिट्स चाहिए होता है, किसी और को शायद सिर्फ 20 यूनिट चाहिए होता है. It depends on your lifestyle, your diet, where you are, your body composition. ये सारी चीज़ें affect करती है. For example, with me, if I take a lot of insulin for a couple of days, I do see a little bit of weight gain. But that is okay. Okay? हम लोग सिर्फ बॉडी इमेज के लिए बॉडी को फिट नहीं रखते हैं. हमें फिट बॉडी को इसलिए रखना है so that you have better insulin sensitivity, you have more stamina, you have a good amount of nutrition in your body, and you feel more healthy and fit. Not just look it. One thing I want to tell everyone, especially the young teens over here, because you may be putting on weight or something, don't deprive yourself of food and carbs. Carbs बहुत important है. It's your source of energy. It's your source of, how do you keep your body active and, strong. तो ऐसा है कि I feel like I'm putting on weight, so I'll just stop eating, crash diet पे जाऊंगी. This is not helpful. It is not sustainable and it is not healthy for the body. Rather आप ये focus करो कि have a healthy, balanced diet, which has fibers, proteins, carbs, सारा कुछ. And at the same time, you also need to work out and exercise every day. Whether it is a 1-hour walk, it is a 30 minutes of running, it is some aerobic exercises, strength training, CrossFit, your call. Dancing, whatever makes you feel happy. But don't go on extreme crash diets because you feel like अच्छा insulin का requirement कम करना है हमको weight lose करना है. No, focus on a long, healthy, sustainable lifestyle that will not only help you with your weight, but it will also help you with your sugars. And finally, one thing I want to say is do not compare yourself with others. आज के social media वाले ज़माने में हम हमेशा compare करते कि oh look at her, she's so skinny, oh look at him, he's so fit. Everybody is different. Everybody is also different. Don't compare your body with a non-type 1's body. Don't compare your body with a model's body. These are all beauty standards that society has created. Just remember, आपका weight उतना होना चाहिए जहाँ आप unhealthily obese ना हो, because that can affect your sugars, that can affect your heart health, that can affect a lot of things. Be fit, be healthy, don't starve yourself, don't compare yourself, and remind yourself कि हमें हमारे body को ऐसे देखना है. It helps us live. It is not just about how it looks. Alright? So with that, remember guys, live happily, bolus regularly, and remember that you are type 1 of a kind no matter how you look or how much you weigh.